Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today Arlene is going to show you one of the very first things she fell in love with creating inside Artistly: pet portraits. We are going to take ordinary pet photos and turn them into fun characters like kings, queens, pirates, and fantasy-style portraits. She will walk you through the workflow she uses step by step, so even if you are brand new to Artistly, you can follow along easily. Alright, let us turn some pets into legends.
Are we ready? Let's do this. Let's make some pet portraits. So here we are in Artistly. This is your dashboard. You go up to Create Design. You go to Fast AI Image Designer. You go to AI Design Agents. And then you go over here to where it says Pet Portraits. This is really easy. Okay, so you're going to drop a pet image in here. You can choose from library if you've already got some saved in Artistly, or you can choose one from your computer. I have some on the computer. Let's choose Rambo. This is one of my friend's dogs, and we'll choose him for now. So we'll open him up, put him in there, and then we just take it and we say what we want to make him. So let's play with this. Let's make him a king. And then you just click generate. It's so easy. We're going to do a few of these so with different outfits. So I was playing with this earlier, and this is actually my daughter's dog, Kaiser, and I asked it to make it a truck driver. This one here, I asked it to make it a lifeguard, and it gave a silhouette. I think that's really cute. This is also Kaiser, and I said simply just put in surfer, and that's the image I got. And this one I believe was a pirate, and now there's Rambo as a king. So you see, it's just as simple as that. Let's go back. Let's just do some more for fun. So we'll go back over to AI Design Agents, open it up, go to Pet Portraits, download a portrait of an animal. I think I'm gonna try a different one this time. Let me find one. Anyway, let's take this one here. It's another puppy, my friend Kayla's dog. Open. And let's make her, she's actually passed away, and I created, I can't remember the name of the dog, excuse me, but I created it as an angel for her. But for today, let's make her a princess. And just generate. Simple, easy peasy, they say. I'm just going to stick probably with Kaiser and Rambo here. So let's go back with Kaiser. And let's change him into, I don't know, let's get creative, a bartender. And generate portrait. I mean, you can see how this one turned out, huh? I remembered her name now. It's Harley. And there she is as a princess. So cute. Now while that's generating as a bartender for Kaiser, let's go back to the agents, back to pet portraits, grab a pet. Let's do Rambo again. Open. And let's do Rambo as an astronaut. And let's see what that gives us. There's Kaiser as a bartender. And we got the astronaut generating now. I'll go back, go do a couple more. Just did Rambo. Let's do Kaiser again. Open. And let's do him as a clown. Should be funny. There's Rambo as an astronaut. And we have Kaiser coming as a clown. Let's do just a couple more. These are so much fun. I can't remember where we are. Here's Kaiser again. Let's do something really fun. I don't know. Well, let's just test AI and see what we get when we put stripper. Alright, and we'll be doing Rambo next. There's Kaiser as a clown. I think he's going to be a stripper here. We'll do Rambo next. Let's go back over to Pet Portraits. Browse Rambo. And let's make Rambo a pimp. I'm just testing AI now, just having fun. Thanks for staying with me though. This is so much fun. And what I do like about Artistly is that, you know, there is no monthly fees, there's no credit fees, we don't have to buy tokens or anything like that. It's a one-time fee, and that's lifetime. And honestly, they just keep adding things on, and you know, that's you're grandfathered in. So I don't expect the price is going to stay the same. I think it's about $179. Again, that's lifetime. And you get everything, all of this stuff in here. Get the maze generators, the puzzles, the music storyboards. There's so much you can do in here, and I'm going to continue to create videos to show you all the things that you can do in Artistly. And I also have some other tools that I'll be sharing with you as well on how to create videos, turn even these guys into videos. It's amazing. So look at Rambo now. He's a pimp. Like, really, that's just so cute. So I don't profit from these at all, because anybody who's asked me to do these have been friends or family, and I haven't charged anything. But if you look on Etsy, there's absolutely people making money from doing custom portraits just like this. And this isn't the only kind that you can do. There's so many different things you can do here. Like, you can go here to your AI art illustrator. All right. And then you can say you want to pick a different kind of style. So this style. And then you can mirror image. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to browse, and I'm going to find Kaiser here, and I'm going to open. And now it's going to create a prompt to create Kaiser into that kind of character. So I'm going to have it describe it. And then I'm just going to say use prompt. And then I'm going to generate. Now I'm going to generate 4 of these just so that we can choose from the best one. And it's being generated up here. So while it's generating, by the way, if you've been curious about trying Artistly yourself, I'll leave the links down in the description so you can check it out. And let me know in the comments what kind of pet portrait you'd create, because honestly, I think the pimp one is becoming a problem over here. So let's see, what do we have? Okay, so I'm not sure if that's the style that I was going at. Let's go back over Art Illustrator. Let's choose Pixar style, and go back to Mirror Magic. Pick the dog again. Let's do Rambo this time. Open, and it should change Rambo from a real image to a Pixar style dog. and look very much the same like him. So I'm going to go describe. And use it. I'm going to make 4 of them and generate. So this is just another way that you can create your pet portraits for your customers if you're doing that. Like this, it's beautiful. And there's Rambo in Pixar, Pixar style. So this is cute. So if you could use that kind of style, if they wanted to do that kind. Let's try an oil painting. Some people will go for that. So we'll go back over here. We'll go to oil painting. And we'll go to Mirror Magic again. We'll upload our dog. Let's try Kaiser. No, let's try an oil painting of a hamster. Alright, describe. So it's describing, it's creating a prop and describing the hamster to be done in an oil painting. So use prompt, do 4, and generate. I like those. I'll do a Pixar style for Kaiser as well. So while that's generating, I'll go back over. So this is like an oil painting. Let's see, yes. Go back, art style, and we're going to go to Pixar, and we're going to choose Kaiser this time. Open, describe, it's going to describe the prompt. We'll use it and we'll create 4. And that's pretty much how you can do pet portraits in Artistly. There's other ways as well, because Artistly is just an image designer, so you can pretty much use all of these agents as well. So there's Kaiser in the Pixar, and you got Rambo in the Pixar, so you can use these like in storybooks or videos even. It's pretty amazing, because that's pretty much just the workflow for creating pet portraits in Artistly. Honestly, it's one of the most fun things to experiment with, because every pet has its own personality, and AI lets you push that personality into completely different creative styles. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss future Artistly tutorials. Also, if you want to try Artistly for yourself, check out the links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.